and this video is about the Milestone task 3.9, which is basically the end of the unit. This unit was very short. It is about area and perimeter. In the beginning of this task, I put the definitions just as a reminder of area and perimeter. If you scroll down, the first question asks about building a garden. There are 3 different plans for the garden. And she wants you to put a fence around the garden. Remember, a fence around the garden is very similar to saying the perimeter. What would go on, what's the distance on the outside of the shape? So what would be, Beth wants to use the least amount of fence around her garden. Which garden should she use? So you should find the perimeter for each one of these gardens. This one for garden A, that's 4. So this side is 9 and this side is 4, just to let everybody know. If you scroll down, what is the area of each of these 3 gardens? So then you have to find the area. You should most likely do a multiplication equation. Use the draw tool to help you out. Number 3, Beth made one more rectangular garden plant that was 24 square feet. Remember, the area is when we find squares. So think of a garden that will have 24 square feet. Think about the length and the width. How many rows, how many columns will show that? Number 4, Beth's dad created a garden with this design. We worked on irregular shapes like this. How can you find the perimeter, which is the fencing around the garden? And how can you find the area? Remember, you find the area, which is how many square units could fit in it. Try decomposing this shape into smaller rectangles. And that's it for the milestone task. Do your best. Try to use the drawing tool because it'll probably be easier for you. I'm going to try to send it in 2 ways. All right? Bye.